This is gonna be the back elevator at JCPenney. Here's some boxed up, there's some packaged appliances. Meeting room right there. It's a Montgomery. It's the same as the other one. Sorry. L. Runs nicer. And the gear's completely burnt out. It's darker in here. Emergency light is on. Well, I do get with that sometimes. Sometimes it's a big help. No phone in here as well. Some trash all over the box. 2. Door closed when I push a button. I like that. It's gonna have you. Same as the other one, except this one's run nicer. Maintained better. It has A-series fixtures. Like I said, there's trash all over it, just phone wiring. There goes and that's it.